Hi, my name is Santosh, and I'm batch for DBMS. This is fourth. I'm going to telling about the fourth experiment in DBMS. It is about set operations. This is the aim and the description how the set operations are done, and this is the table, and going to tell. I'm going to create a table, and I've created a table like employee table, and URK19CS my number, and ename virtual 255 city vortex, and 2.55 and the table has created. Insert into a employee table, and my group as my number 142 ename city, and with the name as select the Anil Nagpur from dual union all set Shankar Bombay from dual union all set Jaya Chennai from dual union all select Sunil Bombay from dual union all select Vijay Delhi all select the Prakasham Calcutta from dual union all set select Ajay Nagpur from dual, and select from the names. It will create the 7 rows has been created like that it will show, and after that create the table, uh, employee company and table, my register number, and ename virtual, and cname virtual, salary hint, jdate virtual, and the table has been created. uh, Insert into a employee company table, 1 to 40 ename, cname, salary, jdate with the name as select Anil 150 1st May 89 from dual union all select Shankar Tata 91 from 10th July 19 from dual union all select J, and select from the table 9 rows has been created. Create the table, company with register number, um, the photo, and the virtual city, and the table has been created. Create the table, company table, and then insert the values into the table, and again select, register number, and again going to get cities Chennai, Bombay, Nagpur, and again dual all select Tata Chennai from dual, select from names, and it will create the 6 rows. Create the table, manager table, 1 to 42 ename HR m name. The table has been created. Insert into manager table, 1 to 42 ename m name with the names select Anil, Ajay, Shankar, Vijay, and Vijay, Shankar. 7 rows has been created, and again create a table, and employee shift table with the register number, and it will show as a table has been created, and table has been created. Again insert the employee shift, then 5 rows has been created, 5 rows has been created, and here 7, here 6, and here 5 rows has been created. And then select the city from a company table 1 to 42 with the serial SEC, then it will show as nor as has been selected. Select city from company table 1 to 42 where You can minimize the company table with the Tata. Then it will show the cities. What are the cities they are going to take? Chennai and Nagpur. Select e-name from the employee table 1 to 42 where city like Nagpur and ACC e-name is equals to Anil. Select e-name from the employee table where city like Nagpur and the e-name as Ajay, and then select e-name again from the employee details city like Bombay, insert, and then select the e-name from the company, then 1 to 4 to where salary is greater than 1500, then e-name will be Shankar and Sunil. After that select e-name from the employee city, select the e-name from the company, then name like CMC it will tell as Ajay, and again if the selection e-name from the employee, then city like Nagpur, intersect I want CNAME, company shift again it will show as the name as Anil. Sorry, wait. Anil, then again select the e-name from the employee table and Nagpur and Bombay, and after that we have to e-name Ajay, Sunil, Shankar, Sunil, and again select the e-name from the employee table 1 to 42 union Ajay, Mall Ajay, and it will tell as 9 rows has been selected, and again the select e-name from the employee, the shift table, again we have to shift the table, and now it will show as these are the rows has been 28 rows has been selected, and select the e-name from the employee company table again with 42, then J date will be 18th December 98, and then it will show as the e-name as Kiran, and then select the e-name from employee 1 to 42 where city in, select the e-name from the employee 1 to 42 where the city is, then it will show as no rows has been created, and it will show as Ajay, and like that it will show again, and then the percentage. Now again it will show as no rows has been created, and this is the experiment in DBMS. This is the first one, and display the company ACC and Tata, and ACC Tata display a common company, and the common company and ACC location but not Tata. This is working display living in Nagpur company and employee and Nagpur CMC ACC and Nagpur. Yeah, this is it. Thank you.